Sessions offers better outcomes for your self-reflection or coaching experience. Switch to Sessions mode inside Teams by Swivl to inspire better conversations among colleagues, achieve greater clarity and results in your video coaching process, and improve your practice on video. Sessions offers an expanded opportunity to set intentions for your video observations and share these intentions with your viewers, as well as reflect on the entire coaching experience in one seamless, easy-to-follow flow. Begin by setting an intention for the video you will be working with. You could set this in the mobile app before the video is uploaded or afterward in Teams on the web. Keep your intention brief and actionable. Focus on an achievable target and keep your recording 10 minutes or less to keep feedback manageable. Expand the video player to a full-screen theater viewing so you can get to work on the feedback portion of the video. Use the timestamp commenting feature to annotate, web bookmarking to highlight your glows and grows, and prompts to quickly and easily start the dialogue. Collapse the feedback and head to the last step to summarize your learnings and reflect on your next steps. Celebrate your progress. Meaningful self-reflection takes thoughtfulness and energy. Now, get ready to share your video with a colleague, mentor, or coach, and invite them to respond to your intention by providing their own feedback and summary. Direct and group sharing are the preferred methods of sharing when using Sessions. Web link access does not allow for recipients to leave comments, and embedding is best reserved for videos that you only need to share externally that don't require collaboration. Sessions are a place for collaboration. All session participants who have access to the session will be able to see your intention, feedback, and summary. If you prefer to have a one-to-one with a single colleague, be sure to duplicate the project and share it with that person individually. To begin, open the video that was shared to you for feedback. Review the intention set by the owner of the video in order to understand their focus and be able to provide purposeful feedback. Next, expand the video player to full-screen theater viewing so you are able to read the owner's reflections and provide your own feedback. Collapse the feedback when you are ready to move to the final step, the summary. Here you will be able to review the owner's summary on their learning and next steps. Additionally, you are able to provide your own thoughts to support the owner's growth.